Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done doing this look, and if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful exotic full cut crease look, then please stay tuned. And I also use this palette right here, the Mauves by Juvia. Super cute, super affordable. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. So I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes off camera just for the purpose of the video. So we're just going to begin with this makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using this palette right here, the Mauves by Juvia. Look how beautiful is this palette. I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm going to be using this pencil brush, and I'm going to follow my crease where it starts and ends. I want to do something different this time around. So what I'm doing is I'm just tracing where my eyelids crease, and I'm trying to get all the pigment that I can get because I want this color to be super intense. But look how cute is that. And then I'm going to wing it out. And if you want to grab more of that color, just bring it in and intensify the color. But man, if you guys didn't get your hands on this Juvia's palette, this is the mini palette, and the color is super pigmented and the price is super affordable also. So if you guys are trying to find a good eyeshadow palette that is super affordable and you don't want to spend like $65 or what is it, 70, this is a good palette. I think this palette was $14 and it's gorgeous. I'm going to be using my Morphe M506. It's a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab this. It's like a pinkish burgundy color, and I'm going to place it on top of the lid. This is a very pretty color too, really pretty. And then I'm going to grab that dark plum color, and I'm just going to intensify that color. But do you guys see how pigmented that is? It's super pigmented. I'm in love. Can't believe I didn't get my hands on this sooner, because this is a beautiful palette. And let me tell you, no fallout. Like, I don't have any fallout. So right now I'm just trying to blend both of these colors together, seamless. Now I'm going to grab this color right here, and I'm just going to place it right with that pink. I wish these had names so I can tell you guys, but it's super easy just to follow along. But look how beautiful is that. I'm going to grab this color right here. So all we're doing is intensifying the color. Now I'm going to be using my micellar cleanser water, and I'm going to use a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean out and line the lid. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to be using the P. Louise blank canvas, and I'm going to be using my CC1 Showstopper, and I love this to cut the crease. And like I said, a little goes a long way with this. You gotta try to do this super quick just because this dries up fast. Place this color right here. Look how beautiful is that shimmer. Gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna place that on my lid. It gives it a little bit of that sparkle. I'm just using my finger, just so you can see the placement, how it looks. It just give it that super glittery effect. So pretty. And I haven't even used spray, and this is beautiful. And guys, I haven't had any fallout, like, whatsoever. But that is gorgeous. I'm loving it. Now I'm just gonna clean out. Now I'm gonna wing my eyes. I'm gonna use Epic Ink Liner, and this is from NYX in black. And I'm gonna wing the eyes. Alright guys, so I already winged my eyes. I'm going to put my lashes on, do my face, and then I'll be right back so I can show you what I'm going to do underneath my eyes. Alright guys, so I put a little bit of setting powder on my nose just so we can begin with the bottom eyelid. So if the fallout falls, we can just wipe it down. So we're going to finish up this look. I'm going to place this color right here. I haven't used this color yet. And I'm going to use a pencil brush like this. And I'm going to place that in the bottom eyelid. And we're just going to smudge it out. This is a very, really pretty color. And then I'm going to add this light color right here. And I'm going to place it in the bottom of the waterline. And I'm just doing it halfway, like right here. That. Just like that. Loving the color. Super cute. The only thing I'm going to do is place mascara on the bottom waterline. I'm going to use MAC Studio Voluminous Mascara. You could use whatever mascara you guys like. I'm using it in black. And I'm just going to place that on the bottom waterline. Excuse my funny face. I'm always making weird faces when I do the mascara. But look how beautiful that looks. And if you want to put in your waterline, you want to put a black liner, let's do so. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty eye pencil, and I'm going to use it in black just to darken that eyes up. If I can open it. In black. I'm just going to place it right here in the waterline. Now I'm going to place the same color that I use on my lid in my inner corner. I'm going to use another pencil brush like this. And just to give it a different effect, I'm going to just spray it. Spray that brush. And just place that in my inner corner. Just to brighten that eye up. You see how that brings it out? Now I'm going to wipe down that setting powder. Wipe it down. Guys, this look is so beautiful. I hope you guys like this look. Like I said, I don't usually do this type of look, but I'm starting to branch out and do some more exotic looks, and to me this is exotic and it's beautiful. Like, it opens up your eyes. Like, I'm loving this look. If you guys like me doing some more creativities eye look, comment down below or give it a big thumbs up so I know that you guys like this type of look. But if you guys like more like natural look, also let me know, because I can just start doing that more. But makeup's supposed to be fun, and why not play with makeup? So now what I'm going to do is finish up my face. I'm going to put a little bit of blush on my face. I'm going to be using this right here, my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Blush Trio, and this is Pool Party. And I'm going to use all of it. Place that in the apples of the cheeks. Just like that. I love blush. This brings out the look. It doesn't make me so washed out. It like brings me... Yes, this is beautiful. Now we're going to put some highlights on our face. Actually, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to use my Morphe highlight, and this is Totally Tan 8T, and I'm just going to be using this highlighter right here. It's like a golden pink color. I'm going to place that on my nose. Just actually spray a little bit. lip right here. Look how gorgeous is that. That's stunning. My brow bone. Now we're gonna do our lips. I'm going to matte it out. I'm gonna be using my ColourPop lip pencil little one. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills the holiday lip gloss set. I got this from Ulta. Sorry, it's a little dirty. And I'm gonna just use this little lip gloss kit on my lips and try it out. I needed like a nude lip gloss, so I got this and I said, why not? 'Cause look how beautiful that looks. Super cute, and it's so mini, adorable. So I'm just gonna use either this one or this one. This one is Sweet. It's like a pinkish nude color. And this one is Tassie. And this one is a nude. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. Yummy. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, me using the Juvia's mini palette from the holiday collection. And if you guys did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, adios!